Hi friends, this is your ANR sir, welcoming you to ANR Academy, and this lesson is for class 12th CBSE students, advertisements. And in this section today we learn situation wanted. Yesterday we have seen a question under situation vacant, and today we try to draft an advertisement for situation wanted. Situation wanted means what? You need a job. You need a job. Giving all the details about your strengths and everything. You should draft an advertisement, and the person who would go through that advertisement should have a feeling, yes, he is the right choice for that job. So you should take every care in pointing out all your strengths, but always remember you should stick to word limit 50 words. You should not exceed 50 words. So let us see how the question would appear in the examination. Let us see how the question would appear in the examination. So you are a graduate. You are a graduate in commerce. You are a graduate in commerce and require a job. You are in need of a job. Draft an advertisement for a newspaper giving particulars of qualification and experience. Clear? You have a question like this. You are a graduate in commerce and require a job Draft an advertisement for a newspaper giving particulars of qualifications and experience. Clear? So your answer will be like this. So heading situation wanted. What would be the heading? Situation wanted. Clear? Situation wanted. A hard-working, fresh, first-class graduate. You see, in the question it is given. You have to mention about your experience. Suppose you do not have an experience, it is not a very big minus point. You should not feel not having any experience is a very big crime. No. So you very well say fresh. Fresh means just you are a mold. In whatever model they want to mold you, the employer can mold you. So that is the positive point you have. So a hard working, so this is very important. You should have hard work quality in order to learn any skill. So a hard working fresh first class graduate in commerce, always ready to learn. You see, this phrase tells that you have a habit of learning new. This phrase says that you have a quality of learning new things. Seeks a suitable position in a reputed firm or business organization. So anyone. So choice is open. If any industrial unit, suppose they need any trainees, they can call you, they can contact you. If any business organization, if they need any fresh hands, they can contact you. So seeks a suitable position in a reputed firm or business organization to work as an accountant or a clerk. Always remember, commerce graduates would be preferred in accounts department. Commerce graduates would be preferred in accounts department. Good knowledge of English and Hindi typewriting. So this is also a strength. Or computer literate, you can write. You can write computer literate. You can write computer literate. That means you are well conversant with computers. Computer literate. Knowing typing. Clear? This is also, you like that, so you can write computer literate. That means you have a very good knowledge in operating computers, because nowadays they prefer computer literates. Salary negotiable. You see, because you are a fresh candidate, you cannot demand any salary, so negotiable. Contact. So you give your address. You write your name, address, phone number. If possible, you can give your email ID also. So this is an advertisement for the column situation wanted. That means you need a position. You will need a job. Understood? I think you enjoyed my teaching. So if you really enjoy my teaching, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, General English, all for competitive examinations. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. And tomorrow I come up with another writing skill for class 12 CBSE students. Till then, bye bye.